friends, my name is Claire, and today we are dyeing our hair mauve, so please stick around. Hi friends, my name is Claire, and this is my channel, Woodshed Theory. Here, I make videos about what it is like to live as an adult on the autism spectrum, and whatever else feels good to me, so if that sounds good to you, or if you're feeling particularly gracious today, and I hope that you are, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, ring the bell. Almost forgot to mention that I put out videos 3 times a week. This wasn't originally the plan today, but I'm super duper excited. You may be wondering, Claire, what happened to your green hair? Your hair is yellow. So I was planning on dyeing my hair green again, just over what I had done before, and that was all well and good until I realized I didn't have enough of the green hair dye left to do my whole head. Don't have time to order more hair dye from Lunar Tides, so I decided to do a bleach wash and try a new color. I didn't film the bleach wash because if you've been around here for a while, you know that last time I tried to bleach my roots, I really damaged my hair. There are some super short pieces in the back that I'm trying to grow out. I'm embarrassed. So I don't feel like anyone needs to see me bleach my hair. I'm not a professional. I just left the bleach wash on for bleach cap, some people call it, for 10 minutes. Really scrubbed it, got the green mostly out of my hair. Anything that's left is, we're just gonna have to deal with it. So what I'm gonna do is part my hair, get it into sections, get ready to go, and I will see you in just a minute. That area right there is from my last bleach where it didn't bleach well. Same with this, that orange part. I think that this color is gonna cover it, that part. So for today, we're gonna use my favorite brand of hair dye. Use code WoodshedTheory15 for 15% off your purchase. Lunar Tides. And thank you for Lunar Tides for sending me this hair dye. You are the best, the most wonderful. I'm gonna do the roots in this dark black and pink color called Magic Charm. Hopefully it is the charm that I need. And then for my lengths, we're gonna do this smoky mauve color. Best case scenario, and I'm pretty sure it'll be fine, is it'll look beautiful because every time I use Lunar Tides, it looks beautiful. All right, I'm gonna try and start the roots part from the back and work my way forward, because that way I can keep like laying the hair down over itself and not mixing the colors up too badly. I do want to make sure I'm putting enough of this color on to cover the super orange bits. Like I'm moving forward with this in the knowledge that Lunar Tides has never let me down, but maybe I'm gonna let myself down. Okay, at least I can do the front now, that's easier. My camera's gonna overheat, so I'm just gonna turn it off until I'm finished with the roots, and then I'll be right back. Okay, looks like I've got a peanut butter and jelly head now. That's okay. I just finished doing the roots. I did my best not to get it everywhere, but maybe it'll be spotty, maybe it won't, I'm not sure. I'm opening up the Smoky Mauve. Okay, so now I'm gonna go through piece by piece and just cover the rest of my hair. And I'm gonna pull the other dye down. So I should have lighter ends and then like mixed in mids, right? Okay, so we're back. My camera died And I definitely accidentally just got purple dye on a white chair. So things are going super well. I usually cover, like I have my floor covered in an old sheet. And I usually cover my bench that I'm sitting on right now because it's white. Okay, friends, well, I am going to wait 45 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna leave it on for a long time just because there was a little green left. And I will wash it out, style it, do my makeup. I'll be back to show you what happened. Every time it's the same, lunar tides. Over the moon. I don't have a ton of hair talent. A lot of this is products, and most of it is the Lunar Tides hair dye. Whoa. Wow. Right? I love it. Every time I'm like, I don't know if I'll love this one as much. And every time I do. I think it blended very well. Just as a reminder, on the roots I used Lunar Tides Magic Charm. And on the ends I used Lunar Tides Smokey Mauve. Now, if you remember, my hair was pretty yellow and there was a little bit of a green tinge to it. So I wasn't sure how the Smokey Mauve was gonna come out over that. I feel like it still picks up a little bit. It's not yellow at all, but where it was yellow, it's definitely almost like a brighter pinky color. But there's like a lot of purple mixed in. It's gorgeous. Are you kidding me? I feel beautiful. Because I did the bleach cap, the roots were a little bit lighter than they normally are. That portion did pick up a little bit differently, but to the naked eye, you really couldn't tell. You can kind of see that there's like different dimension in it. You kind of get like a darker purple in some lights, and then the mauve-y, pinky red in others. It's great. Are you kidding me? I just want to remind you that I do have a code with Lunar Tides. It is Woodshed Theory 15. You'll get 15% off of your purchase, and then I get a little bit of a commission from that. So if you are going to buy, why not save some money anyway? And it really helps me, so thank you. Have a great day. I will see you on Friday. I hope that you love my hair as much as I do. I would definitely recommend these colors. I hadn't seen anyone do really smoky mauve or magic charm, so I wanted to test them for the camera. It's beautiful. I love it. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Bye.